Hi, I'm Dean Rod Vera. In this video, I'm going to give you some law school don'ts, or things to avoid, or things not to do. Let's begin. Number one, don't feel the rush or don't rush into law school. Remember, you have to want to be in law school. Don't be pressured by I'm sorry to say, by your parents, your friends, or your relatives. You have to want to go to law school. Remember, it's a 5-year commitment, at the very least. There's 4 years of study, and then 1 year waiting for the bar. Then you have to wait for another 6 to 8 months just for the results of the bar exam to know whether you're a lawyer or not. Law school is time consuming. Know that you will study for 6 to 8 hours a day aside from having a 4-hour day for class. If you're gonna have to commute or travel to law school, that's an hour, 2 hours both ways. So your day will be so full up on law school. Know that you have to want to have that. Also, you must remember that law school is a financial strain. One of the top law schools in this country charges over 6 figures a semester. And just remember, after you graduate, you have to wait maybe 5 to 6 months to take the bar exam. You're gonna have to review for that. So know that when you want to enter law school, don't feel rushed. Feel that you want to go there. The second don't be afraid to ask for help or advice. Maybe you have relatives or friends that are lawyers. Ask them how it was in law school. Ask them what motivated them to stay in law school. Ask them what helped them in their study. Ask them what helped them take the exams. And also ask them how they passed the bar exam. Don't forget to ask your professors. Don't forget if there's something that you don't understand about the problem or understand about this question. Don't be afraid to ask. Just don't do it in class. Maybe do it when you see them in the hallways, or if you have a chance to ask them in an email. Just don't ask personal questions. I don't think they like that here. Don't forget why you wanted to be a lawyer. You went to law school, you want to be a lawyer, maybe you want to fight for justice, fight for a friend, fight for a family member, fight for your property. Know why you wanted to be a lawyer. If it was a childhood dream, fulfill it. Some people are motivated, they wanted to go to law school or wanted to be a lawyer because they want to earn money. There's nothing wrong with that. If you practice right, lawyering is a worthwhile profession that pays good enough to motivate you to be a lawyer. Here's another don't. Don't forget your family and friends. They are your support system. They will help you when you feel pressured, when you feel down. Don't forget them. Ask them to help, talk to them. Family members and friends will motivate you, will encourage you, will make you want to stay in law school. Those that say quit, I wouldn't listen to them. Now, here's what you have to remember also. Don't be a pretender. Know that you deserve to be in law school. Know that you have passed the entrance exam. Know that you have passed the interview. You have to believe in yourself to stay in law school. And know this, every law student is in the same boat as you are. Everyone is equal in law school. Whether they were magna cum laude, whether they were the bottom half of the graduating class in college, everybody will be treated the same. Everybody's equal in law school. If you're feeling scared, nervous, so will the guy or girl beside you. They are just as nervous and they are just as scared. You might think or you might see that they are not, but trust me, they are. Here's a bonus tip. Here's a bonus don't. Don't be afraid to talk to your dean. Law school deans are the most approachable, the friendliest, and the easiest to talk to. Seriously, a law school dean's job or responsibility is to make sure that the students stay in school, study hard, study well, graduate, and most importantly, pass the bar exam. That's their responsibility. They're not there to kick out students or make them fail. No, law school deans want students to pass. They want students to be lawyers. Just remember that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you picked up something, and I hope what you learned here will make you stay in law school. I hope to see you one day as a lawyer. I wish you all the luck. Remember, it's not what you know, it's what they don't know. Goodbye. If you enjoyed this video, I have other videos here, or maybe even here, on other tips and strategies to stay in law school. And if you enjoyed this video, please share, like, and subscribe. It's free. And if you do subscribe, you'll get 4 years of good luck in law school and 5 years good luck as a lawyer. Bye.